Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to prepare delicious split pea soup. First, begin by rinsing 1 pound of dried split peas under cold water to remove any debris. Next, place the rinsed peas into a large bowl and cover them with 8 cups of fresh water. Allow them to soak for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This crucial step significantly reduces cooking time and ensures a wonderfully creamy texture for your soup. Now, let's build the foundational flavors for our soup. Start by finely chopping 1 large onion, 2 medium carrots, and 2 stalks of celery. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped vegetables and sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they become tender and slightly translucent. Finally, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until fragrant. With our aromatics ready, it's time to bring the soup together. Drain the soaked split peas and add them to the pot with the sautéed vegetables. Pour in 6 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. Introduce 1 bay leaf and a half teaspoon of dried thyme for aromatic depth. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the peas are very tender and have broken down. Once the peas are tender and the soup has thickened to your liking, carefully remove and discard the bay leaf. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. For an extra touch, you can garnish each serving with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or a handful of crispy croutons. Serve your comforting split pea soup warm and enjoy this hearty, homemade meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.